So we just put the swiveling duct on this airplane. So we're just checking out the clearance of the motors here through the glass fiber.
A big thank you to Lei and Ingmar helping me pre-assembling this wooden skeleton.
Goed bezig, Ingmar.
Dan hou ik een feestje en dan kom jij mee. Samen met je wel.
After preparing the skeleton, it's really important to fit the skeleton into the mold and pre-glue it into the mold. Doing this will give a super stiff and not deformed form.
Hoi, tevreden?
Ja.
After satisfying, we are closing this mold with the top mold, and then after 24 hours of drying we can detach it. Thanks to Ortur we can cut these parts really nicely from our cut design. Our next step is to glue and pre-fit our spars. After gluing the molds together with the skin set inside, we can delaminate it and reattach the form. In this case, our wing. For adapting those two skins to each other, we use this glue called 3M Scotch Weld, and this is a really nice epoxy. And our wings fits really nicely. Really happy with this result. Okay, let's have a closer look to the 3BSM. As you can see, there are two encoders. We got two magnetic encoders. We got our Arduino drive with the small ESCs for the motors. And let's turn it. As you can see, the 3BSM is quite accurate. And we got also jar control. Perfect. Okay guys, a little sponsor time. If you're interested in buying the Ortur laser, but the generation 3 is a little bit expensive compared to the generation 2, I'm able to give you guys a discount code. Let me see. You can use code J40 to buy the Ultramaster 2 and the Pro S2, and you can use J50 to ordering a ferro laser first generation and second generation, except for the 10 watt laser. So use the link in the description, use this code, and you will get this nice discount. Great.
And you're the owner of this beauty?
Still does, yeah.
And now we see it in one piece.
Finally, yeah.
I think my nose gear will break.
Approaches.
But I got only 4,000 battery, right?
Do you have telemetry for the capacity?
So after 3,000 milliamps, he will say, let's land.
Yes, absolutely.
25.
Okay, that's the first start here. It's a bit windy. Okay,